Specification, by example, is the fastest way I know to make sure that developers, testers, product managers, business analysts, and product owners all agree on the same thing and that they create a shared understanding of what we actually need to deliver in software. Spec, by example, is an amazing way of quickly agreeing on the requirements, the tests, making sure that we reduce rework and making sure that we shorten the cycle time from when somebody says, yes, this is really good to go into development until it actually goes live. The Spec by Example workshop is a 2-day event where people learn how to create the right examples, how to create a shared understanding very quickly, and how to facilitate a high bandwidth communication between all the different stakeholders and the teams in order to reduce delivery cycles and in order to improve significantly the quality of the code that they deliver.